this is a few tabs on the side which you have to pry out. Let me see, I'm gonna do it off camera, but basically you just pry them on, then pull it up. It can be stuck sometimes. What you're supposed to do, if you get oil in there, it's probably gonna go bad. This is $200 sensor, so you don't want to fuck it up. This thing has a metal ring around it, the seal, so that's how you pry it off. It's very stuck in there, but the metal ring you have to get under it and pry it off. It's very hard to do on camera, but I'll show you as I go. You need to get a very small screwdriver. Give me a second. You can see we already got it off. Here is very stiff, but you have to go all the way around, and you have to make sure that you don't damage anything. Depending on how long it's been in your car, that's how stiff it's gonna be. So the camera work. But you can see how it's coming out. Let's see if we can get this sucker all the way out. Make sure not to get oil inside the pins. It's gonna be a bad day. It's an expensive sensor. There you go. So this is the old seal, and that is your eccentric shaft sensor. So the seal goes around there. You're gonna want to clean the mating surfaces. You can see how this one is cracked there. Let me see it. Yeah. So no wonder it was leaking. This is super old piece of shit. This is a new seal. Got it straight from BMW, 13 bucks. No reason to get it anywhere else. You can get it at the dealer. I have it right there. So we're gonna clean all the mating surfaces, clean the oil that dripped down here, take out the coil, make sure everything is clean, there's no oil laying around, clean the whole valve cover, and put the new seal in. We just settle it in over the thing, and then kind of push it down. Let's see. Make sure it goes very flat. You don't want to pinch it. Well, you might want to help yourself with maybe a little screwdriver or something, but once you see it, it doesn't have to be super fucking tight. That's good to go. It's not gonna leak again. So 13 bucks, buy it at the dealer and save yourself all that mess, because this might give you a fake signal that your valve cover is leaking, but what's actually going on is that this thing is leaking from up here. So watch out. This is the first thing I would check if I saw that leak over there. Thanks for watching and good luck.